I'm madly in love with this design. I created this square. The squares have an optional ruffle round here, and on the back, you can see it on the back of the sleeve, is what the square looks like without the ruffle. So the body of this is just 6 squares sewn together, and also the back is the same. And here I have just 1 square, 2 squares sewn together. So the front is like the 6 and then the 1 coming off. And when I originally designed this, I didn't have this beautiful edging. I'm so happy with this edging. So I had 1 more square down here, so I took the squares off on the bottom. I decided to create the 3/4 length sleeve instead of the longer sleeve. So I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I would love to try this again. Maybe using a lighter worsted weight yarn, maybe something with a little wool in it if I was doing it for a fall sweater, or something with a cotton blend for a summertime sweater, I think would be really nice. This is worsted weight cotton. It's the same cotton that you would use for dishcloths. So I do love the look, but I would love to see this in other yarns. And it's very quick and easy to make. And I've been wearing this out and I get compliments on it all the time. I love it. My daughter fixed me up with 2 dresses, this denim dress and the gray dress that I modeled this in too. So she's my little stylist.